Welcome back to Toyota Northwest Edmonton. In today's walk-around video, we're looking at pre-owned, certified, and reconditioned 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road Premium in silver metallic color. This is body on the frame, mid-size pickup truck that comes with lots of great convenience, safety, and off-road features. It's equipped with 3.5-liter V6 naturally aspirated engine and 6-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain produces 278 horsepower with 265 pound-feet of torque, has a towing capacity up to 6,800 pounds. Exterior features here at the front, including recovery hooks on the bottom underneath the vehicle, also underbody protection, fog lamps, LED day running lamps, Toyota Heritage grille with the pre-collision sensor and a front view camera for panoramic view monitor. Adaptive cruise camera integrated into the windshield. Here on the side we see black over fenders, 16-inch wheels with TRD alloy rims, mud guards, and also truck is lifted. And you can see TRD tire pressure monitoring sensors in the tires. Also running boards, blackout Tacoma badging, body color door handles with keyless entry, privacy rear glass with tint. Exterior mirrors have integrated turning light, blind spot monitor, they heated, and they also have a camera underneath for panoramic view monitor. Here's our key fob with remote lock, unlock, and emergency key. Here's keyless entry. Just simply press those two lines to lock your truck and put your hand in a door handle to unlock it. Let's look inside. Interior is black. Driver's door equipped with the speaker, bottle holder, storage compartment, silver door handle, power windows with auto up and down for driver and front passenger, power doors, side mirror, power adjustment, all-weather rubber mats on the floor with Tacoma badge, scuff plates in the door arch with the Tacoma badge as well to protect it from scratches. On the left side of the dash here in the driver's cockpit area, we can find traction control off button, panoramic view monitor camera, bed lights on off, automatic high beams, and 120-volt outlet at the back. In front of the driver, 4-spoke leather wrapped steering wheel like brand new. Driver informational gauge cluster behind it with 4-inch digital screen in the center. Right now we can see tire pressure monitoring system, audio controls, navigation, and fuel information. Currently at 12.8 liters per 100 kilometers, only 37,000, slightly over 37,000 kilometers on the odometer. That means plenty of factory warranty left for powertrain and basic warranty. On the steering wheel, audio controls, voice intelligent assistant, hands-free button. Also adaptive cruise control switch placed behind the steering wheel, and those two buttons come with it, which is lane departure alert on off and front sonar sensor, and the driver informational gauge cluster display controls right here. Here we can find push button start. In the center of the dash, Toyota multimedia touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, Bluetooth, Sirius XM HD radio, embedded navigation, general settings and vehicle customization, display settings, air vents. This is HVAC display and front heated seats buttons with 3 different levels of heat, hazard light button, part-time 4-wheel drive controls, heated side mirrors, dual automatic climate control with air conditioner, also front windshield de-icer. Down below we can find blind spot monitor on off, ECT power button, powered rear glass that could be slided open or closed, USB charging port, a QI wireless phone charger, pad on off with the light indicator, 12-volt connector, 2 cup holders, gear shifter knob, manual parking brake, another storage compartment, and another cup holder, central console armrest area with storage bin inside, USB and USB-C charging ports. In front of the passenger, locking glove box with Tacoma embossed lettering in it, also convenient handle for your front passenger, automatically dimming rear view mirror with HomeLink universal garage door openers, multi-terrain select and crawl control, rear differential lock, Toyota SOS Safety Connect button for emergency and roadside assistance, power moonroof, a tilt and sliding moonroof controls right here. Map lights, LED map lights for driver and front passenger. Sun visors have integrated mirror and lights. Seats in this Tacoma TRD off-road premium made of black Softex material, which is leather-like. With the headrest, driver's seat is 8-way power adjustable with 2-way power lumbar support. Front passenger seat is manually adjustable. Now let's look at the rear passenger area. Here we can find power windows button, children's safety lock in each rear door, speaker bottle holder, storage compartment, scuff plate, all-weather rubber mats on the floor, 2 cup holders at the back. And here we can find LED map light, storage compartment underneath the rear cushion. It's locking. And also we can fold a seat to find another storage compartment. At the back, we can see privacy rear glass with tint, LED bed lights, shark fin roof, integrated antenna, soft tonneau cover this truck comes with. Very nice condition, like new. Tail lights, blackout Tacoma embossed lettering in the tailgate. Also Toyota badge in the tailgate handle, backup camera and lock, V6 blackout badge. Rear bumper has convenient step with anti-slip surface. Also towing package comes standard. Towing hitch receiver with a rubber cap. Also full-size spare tire underneath, and another recovery hook is placed right here as well. 4 and 7 pin connector for your trailer, additional lights. Let's look at the cargo bed. It's fully composite sheet molded bed that will serve you the lifetime of the vehicle, highly resistant to any scratches or rust or moisture. Pretty bright big LED bed lights in here that glaring into my camera. 120 volt outlet for your appliances, tools, or camping gear, and storage compartment. Let's look at this pre-owned, certified, and reconditioned 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road Premium that comes lifted. Also has some nice blackout badges. Comes with the heated front seats, Softex leather-like interior, power moonroof, HomeLink universal garage door openers, crawl control, rear differential lock, multi-terrain select, Toyota multimedia touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and so much more. Stop by to take this clean, nice Tacoma with very low kilometers for test drive. We are located at 137 Avenue and St.Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, the big Toyota dealership.